In this video, we're going to be talking about HTML hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are just links that you can find in nearly all websites. It allows users to view different websites and other web pages. A link can be assigned to an image or any other HTML element. It does not have to be text strictly. Now onto the syntax. An example of a hyperlink is written by using the A tag. You can just write the A tag, hit tab, and it should finish it for you. This will be the first time we're getting to attributes in HTML. To keep it simple, these attributes provide additional information about any HTML element. In the case of hyperlinks, we're going to talk about this href one right here. The href attribute indicates the link's destination. You can input any link you would like to have over here. I will use google.com right here, and then I'm going to write some text over here. Click me, and then Ctrl S to save that, and some text should appear here. So now if you click on this, it should take us to this URL over here. And it does, google.com. Now I'm going to click back to original document, and usually the color of this text should change when you visit a link of some sort. Now by default, this link over here should open up a tab in the same window as you saw. If we wanted to change that, we can use an attribute known as target. The target attribute specifies where to open the document that is linked. You can have one of the following values, as you can see right here. The blank value should open a document in a new window or tab. The parent value opens a document in the parent frame. The self value is the default one that you just saw right now. And finally, the top value opens a document in the full body of the window. In this case, we're going to use the blank value so that I can show the difference from what we saw earlier. So if you Ctrl S that and we click this again, it should open up google.com but on a different tab. This is useful when you don't want to necessarily take your users away from this tab on your website. The last thing I would like to cover is the difference between an absolute URL versus a relative URL. Simply put, so far we've been using absolute URLs, which is a full web address in the href attribute. But what if we wanted to link to another page in our website? That is where the relative URL comes in, where we have a local link to a file or folder. For that, we're going to create a new HTML file right here. And you can name it anything you want. For this case, we'll name it contact.html for a contact page. We're going to create some HTML boilerplate right here, and then maybe we're going to put in h1 for heading 1, and then just write contact us, and then click save. We're going to go back to original document, and right here, instead of writing a link, we're going to use a local link. Since it's in the same directory, we're just going to write contact.html, and I say Ctrl S, and this should update. And if you click here, now it should open up a new tab and take us to that contact me page. So click here and contact us right here. Anything that we've written right over here. I think that about covers how you can use hyperlinks in HTML, some of its attributes, and the difference between the two kinds of hyperlinks. With that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.